Today I am going to start my Microsoft Sentinel series, and I will be discussing about how to create the log analytics workspace for Microsoft Sentinel. Microsoft Sentinel analytics rules, incidents, how to create playbooks, how to do the threat hunting. You should be having knowledge about all these things. You should be having strong background on log analytics workspace for Microsoft Sentinel. So before jumping to creating the log analytics workspace for Microsoft Sentinel, let me give you a brief of what is Microsoft Sentinel. So nowadays this is a job profile that you will be working as a Microsoft Sentinel security specialist or security analyst, and Microsoft Sentinel is a SIEM platform, security information and event manager platform, and it uses the built-in AI to analyze the large volume of data. And one more thing is, it is also a SOAR product. SOAR is security orchestration automated response. So let's see how we can create the log analytics workspace for Microsoft Sentinel, which is a very important task for security analysts who are working in Microsoft Sentinel. So let's see the demo. In this demo, I will show you how to create the log analytics workspace for Azure Sentinel, Microsoft Sentinel, and then I will show you how to deploy the Microsoft Sentinel Training Lab solution. So Microsoft Sentinel Training Lab solution actually will be having the a product from free product from Microsoft, where we will be seeing that already data will be ingested and there will be some incidents. So let's start the demo. As you can see that I have logged into Azure portal, and from the main portal you can click on the global search bar and you can type Microsoft Sentinel. So if you type Microsoft Sentinel, then it will come that Microsoft Sentinel services. So you have to click on Microsoft Sentinel. Then from here you have to click on create button. So you can see that there is no workspace created. So I will go ahead and create a workspace. You can click here in this button, click a new workspace, or else here click a new workspace button. So I will click on here, create a new workspace. Here it will ask you to fill up all the details. So I am using pay-as-you-go subscription. Here I will create a new resource group. So create a new resource group. I will give a name as Sentinel demo lab. Click OK. Then I'll give the name of the instance. I'll give the name like Sentinel demo lab bng. Let's see it is available or not. Yes, this name is available now, and the region that I am going to select is East US. Then click on review plus create. Let's wait for a couple of moments. Yes, the validation is passed, you can see that, and let's click on create button. You can see that initializing deployment, submitting the deployment template for resource group Sentinel demo lab. deployment in progress. Let's wait for few moments. You can see that deployment is succeeded. So click on that workspace sentinel-demo-lab-bng that I have created just now, and click on the button below, add. So what it will do, it will actually adding this workspace to Microsoft Sentinel. So let's wait for a few moments. You can see here Microsoft Sentinel offers a 31-day free trial. So it's not a free product or free services from Microsoft, and I am using a 30-day free trial only here. Now you can see that successfully added Microsoft Sentinel message and Microsoft Sentinel free trial activated. So you can read this because this is very important, because the free trial is active on this workspace from this date to this date at this time UTC. During the trial, up to 10 GB per day are free for both Microsoft Sentinel and Log Analytics. Data beyond the 10 GB per day included quantity will be billed. So this is the terms and condition from Microsoft on the billing. So you can click on OK, and your Microsoft Sentinel workspace, Log Analytics workspace is created. Now what we will do, we will add Microsoft Sentinel training lab will be adding to this workspace. So what we will do, we will go to marketplace. So here I have already searched for marketplace, that I am going to select it now, and here after you click go to marketplace, from here you can select training lab. So you can see that Microsoft Sentinel training lab solution in bracket preview will be pop up automatically coming up. So you have to select that one service and you have to click on create here. So in this page what we have to do is we have to fill up this details. For example, subscription is already selected as a pay as you go. Now you have to select the resource group. Resource group I have already created, that is Sentinel Demo Lab, that I am going to select, and the workspace that also created, that is Sentinel Demo Lab BNG. So I'll be selecting this one. Then you can also just navigate to workbooks, analytics or playbooks. That these I'll be showing all these features in my forthcoming videos, but for this particular video I am going to click on review plus create. So once the validation is passed, then you will be seeing that the page is asking you to click on create button. So let's go ahead and click on create button here. Then you will see that the initializing deployment message will be appearing on the right corner of the screen. You will see that deployment is in progress status will be showing on in the screen, and approximately it will take 10 to 15 minutes for the deployment. So I will pause the video now and I will come back once the deployment is done. Now you can see that your deployment is complete. So you have to click on go to resource group, and then see that you can see that Sentinel Demo Lab, this is the resource group, and you can go to the Azure Sentinel now, or else you can go to the Log Analytics workspace, that is Sentinel Demo Lab BNG. So this is the Log Analytics workspace, and you can go to Azure Sentinel also. So from the home page you can go to Microsoft Sentinel, and you can click on Sentinel Demo Lab PNG, and you can see that. Let's wait for few moments and you will see that there are some events and alerts. There are some security events, lot of security events. There are some incidents, 3 incidents, 9 alerts, and 24.2k events generated already. So this is all about this video, and I hope that you will also follow the next video, and I will be showing all the details of Microsoft Sentinel. Please do subscribe to this channel, and please like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video.